times 3. That is going to be direct material. Right, guys?
Sir, I have a question about it.
Yes.
In the direct labor, why is 54.35?
So direct labors. Oh, sorry. It's per glider. Sorry.
Yeah, per glider.
Sorry.
That's what I was-
26.35 multiplied by 20 and 28 multiplied by 3, then multiply by 19.5.
Okay.
Okay, guys? That is per glider. Sorry, I didn't see that one.
Mhm.
And then we need to find out the ABC costing. In traditional costing, we do manufacturing overhead. And now, after finding the direct cost, direct labor and direct material, less ABC costing. ABC costing we have supporting direct labors. So per hours, the 26 per direct labor hours, right? So how many hours used for this? 54, right?
Mhm.
So total hours are 54 point, oh sorry, total labors are 26, these hours. 26.35 multiplied by 20, 28 multiplied by 3. These hours multiplied by 26. Other processing cost, 284 per order. They gave us the order, 4 orders. Standard model 1, 3 custom design. You multiply this with 4. Custom design, it is 0, this is 3. You multiply this with 3. Customer service, we have 1 customer, multiply this with 1. So total direct labor hours 28.35, 20, and then plus 3 times 28. If you add them, this is our total labor hours. Right, guys? Now, can you calculate now?
Yeah, I think I got it.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
please do that. Please do that.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
So,
Okay, guys. William, Olima, Leo. You know what's going on?
Yes, but we need a few more minutes.
Yeah, we do.
Because other two groups, they have no idea what to do. I'm just asking you. You understand what's going on?
Yes. So we have to basically calculate the sales and then subtract the
So this
direct
is
labor,
not
direct
product
materials.
margin. This is customer margin, right?
Yes.
Customer gave us both standard model and custom design. So you need to add, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, do it. If you understand, then please explain to each other and do it. If you have still confusion, so we'll do. I think I'm gonna give. I already gave them 10 more minutes. So after 10 minutes, I'm gonna be, closing this group activity, and we will be discussing the answer. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay. Pausing the recording as well. Hey guys, welcome back. I just ended the breakout room. So I already received your group files. So let's talk about its solution. Here we go. So customer margin, sales minus direct labor minus direct material minus ABC, activity-based costing, right? So sales, the standard model per unit price is 1850 times 20 plus 2400 is the design glider cost, and 3 gliders are going to be sales. So total is 44,200. Please check that your sales answer is correct. And then we have direct material. Okay, per unit material is $564, and standard model is sold 20 plus 634 per custom design order multiplied by the 3 custom design orders. So total 13,182. Please confirm your answer. So total direct labor is the 26.35 hours are required to complete one standard model. So there are 20 models. So 26.35 multiplied by 20 and multiplied by 19.5 is for the standard model. And for the custom model, 28 hours are required. 3 we sold, 28 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 19.5, or I can just write it down here like so 19.50. You can say multiply by 26 for standard model, 20 are sold plus 28 multiplied by 3. If you solve this expression here, answer would be 11,915. And now where this supporting direct labor cost came from. So similarly, the total direct labor of our supporting labor hour cost is 26. Okay, so per labor hour required to complete standard model 26.3, and we sold 20, right? Plus 28 multiplied by 3, and that would be, if you solve this, answer would be 15,886. Please double check that. Right, guys? And for order processing, there are 4 orders, 1 custom and 3 standard. The per order cost is $284. So this 284 multiplied by 4, answer would be 1,136. Custom design only required custom designs, not the standard one. So 186 multiplied by 3, answer would be $558. And customer service, we served 1 customer, the Big Sky company. So $379 multiplied by 1, that is. So total cost including, so total cost, this total cost include direct material plus direct labor plus supporting plus order processing plus customer design plus customer service. Answer would be $43,056. So customer margin would be 1,144. If your answer is 1,144, you are in good shape. So make sure, compare your answer and try to find out where did you made a mistake. Right, Jordan group, your answer is not correct. Similarly, the Leo group, Minsu, William, Leo group, your answer is not correct. And for which group is this? I think it's Stella group, right? The first one, you didn't write your name. Stella.
Yes.
Send me this picture again and write it down the names.
All right. Name is on the left side.
Oh, okay, yeah, group 1. Stella, Jordan, and Jackie. Okay, your answer is close to reality because it is 1,144 and your answer is 1,375. I hope this
some miss of calculation. I think the steps are right.
Yes, but steps are right. Right? Good work. Jordan, Stella, and Jackie, good work. Right, guys, any question regarding this example here? No? Okay, let's move. So, if we calculated the product margin from traditional costing, okay, the previous example was customer margin. Okay, now let's continue our discussion related to product margin. So if we continue our discussion of product margin with traditional costing, right? Data is the same. They have provided this data for direct material, but shipping cost is not included here. Why? Because shipping cost under traditional costing is called period cost. This is called non-manufacturing cost, right? So we will not be including shipping cost in calculation of the standard, in calculation to calculate product margin. So direct cost going to be only included direct material and direct labor, and under manufacturing overhead we will be including shipping cost as well. So shipping cost. So in order to calculate the manufacturing overhead, so you add all the manufacturing overhead. So total manufacturing overhead is 14 million. So you divide with 800,000 machine hours, which is the segregation is already given at the start of this chapter, that they have used 800 manufacturing overhead, machine hours. So if we use the plant-wide overhead rate, the job order costing rate, so we divide manufacturing overhead with cost driver, and cost driver is based on manufacturing overhead. So with that one, our answer going to be different. Let's talk about this. So machine hours are going to be used by short start 480,000, long life 320,000. You multiply the same rate and you find out that the overhead rate is 8.4 million for short start, 5.6 million for long life. So direct material, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead, you divided it and you find out the product margin, right? So did you notice something? That selling and administrative cost 11 million. Then we find out the loss, or this 11 million also include the shipping cost, which is a direct cost according to ABC. If we use the traditional costing, we don't see any loss in long life product of Baxter battery system. While when we use the ABC system, we found out that the short start is giving us profit, while the long life is giving us a loss. You see, traditional costing is sometimes misleading, right? The reason is that although the nature of the shipping cost is traceable, but traditional costing says this is period cost, it is not the part of product cost, so we are not using to calculate the product margins. So that's why under this 11 million, 3 million is shipping cost we included as a period cost. So if we calculate the differences, the ABC costing says the short start is giving us 8.372 million profit and long life is giving us a loss. So if you find out the change, which is traditional costing product margin minus ABC product margin, so you see that, or if you just compare, the traditional costing and ABC costing margins, you'll find out that the short start traditional costing reports lower product margin for short start. Why? Because it overstated the costs.